Hello students, today we will discuss an important topic, that is degree of dissociation. You must know how to calculate degree of dissociation and how to use it in different ways in order to solve the numericals of chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium. So let's start the topic. Now what is degree of dissociation? It is represented by alpha and it is the fraction of total number of moles of reactants that undergo dissociation. Fraction of total number of moles of reactants. What does it mean? It means that alpha is equal to number of moles of reactant dissociated upon total number of moles. Means the initial moles that you have taken for reactant, out of that moles how many moles have dissociated. Now if we are starting with 1 mole, alpha is equal to, suppose number of moles dissociated is x. So if you are starting with 1 mole, then alpha will be equal to the number of moles dissociated. So you can also say out of 1 mole of reactant, number of moles dissociated is alpha. Number of moles dissociated is alpha. Let's give an example. Suppose you have 2a gives b. Clear? Now at t is equal to 0, suppose you have taken 1 mole of a, then b moles will be 0, time t is equal to 0. Time t is equal to 0 means reaction has not started, so there will be no products in the reaction mixture, you will have only reactants. तो reactant की initial moles हमने 1 लिए. Now at equilibrium, when the equilibrium is attained, suppose x moles of this a has dissociated, so we can write how much moles of a are left behind. अगर x moles dissociate हो रहे हैं तो बचेंगे कितने, 1 minus x. And how many moles of b will be formed? See, 2 moles give 1 mole of b. So x moles, if x moles are dissociating, it will give x by 2 moles of b. Is it clear? You have to use a stoichiometry of the reaction to find out the products. So if x moles are dissociating, 2 moles give 1 mole of b. Then x moles will give x by 2. So b form will be x by 2. Now here this x is, if you calculate alpha from here, alpha will be equal to number of moles dissociated, that is x, upon initial moles 1. So alpha will be equal to x. So you can also write here 1 minus alpha and here alpha by 2. If you want to calculate percentage dissociation or percentage degree of dissociation, DOD, percentage means out of 100. Out of 1 mole, the number of moles dissociated is alpha. Out of 100 mole, it will be alpha into 100. So if you have to calculate percentage degree of dissociation, multiply alpha by 100, you will get the percentage degree of dissociation. I hope it is clear now. Now let us take different initial moles. Suppose here you are starting with 2 moles. Number of moles dissociated is x. So what will be the degree of dissociation? Degree of dissociation will be number of moles dissociated upon initial moles, x by 2. So here alpha will not be equal to x. If you are starting with 2 moles and number of moles dissociated is 2x, so alpha will be equal to 2x by 2. That is, it will be equal to x. If you are starting with C moles and the number of mole dissociated is x, so alpha will be equal to x upon C. If you are starting with C moles and number of mole dissociated is Cx, then alpha will be equal to Cx upon C. That means it will be equal to x. Is it clear? So degree of dissociation is number of moles that are dissociating out of 1 mole of reactant. अगर 1 मोल लिया उसमें से कितने moles dissociate हो रहे हैं, that is degree of dissociation. Now let us discuss it in detail. Suppose you have a reaction 2A gives 3B plus C. Clear? Now initial moles of A are given 1 at T is equal to 0. So at T is equal to equilibrium, if initial moles are 0, the moles of B and C will be 0 because they are the products. Initially the reaction has not started. At T is equal to equilibrium, suppose we say that X moles are dissociating. So we will write 1 minus X. Clear? Now how many moles of B will be formed here? See, you have to use a stoichiometry of the reaction now. 2 moles give 3 moles of B. Okay? 2 moles give 3 moles of B. So X moles will give 3 by 2 into X. So the number of moles of B formed will be 3 by 2 X. Number of moles C. 2 moles give 1 mole of C. So X mole will give X by 2 moles of C. Clear? Now can you tell here X is equal to alpha or not? Yes, X is equal to alpha. Alpha is degree of dissociation X by 1. So it will be equal to X. So you can also write this expression in terms of alpha degree of dissociation 1 minus alpha, 3 by 2 alpha and alpha by 2. Clear? Now let us take this example again and start with 2 moles of A. Initially they will be 0. At T equilibrium, suppose 2x moles are dissociating. So we can write 2 minus 2x. Here 2x is the number of moles dissociated. अगर 2x moles dissociate हो रहे हैं तो B के कितने moles बनेंगे? See, 2 moles give 3 moles of B. So 2x will give 3 by 2 into 2x. Clear? And if 2x moles are 2 moles of A gives 1 mole of C, so 2x will give 2x upon 2, that is equal to x. So we will get the same expression. Now here alpha is equal to, what is alpha here? 2x moles dissociated upon total moles 2. So it is equal to x. Here also alpha is equal to x. यहाँ पे भी alpha x के बराबर था, यहाँ पे भी alpha x के बराबर है. So in general, can we write this expression now? If we are starting with, at T is equal to 0, if we are starting with C moles, their moles will be 0. At equilibrium, if alpha is the degree of dissociation, so we can write C minus C alpha. See, out of 2 moles, how many moles will dissociate? Out of 1 mole, alpha moles dissociate. Out of 2 moles, 2 moles will dissociate. Out of 1 mole, alpha moles dissociate. Out of C mole, number of moles dissociated will be C alpha. So we can write C minus C alpha. Here how many moles will be formed? 3 by 2 into C alpha, and here C moles will be C alpha by 2. It is in terms of degree of dissociation. So if you are given degree of dissociation in the question, you have to use this type of expression. You have to remember this type of expression where you will use C minus C alpha or C 1 minus alpha. Otherwise you can go ahead with the x values. X value अगर degree of dissociation नहीं दिया हुआ, you can proceed using x. X may be equal to alpha or it may not be equal to alpha. Clear? Now let us solve some questions so that the concept becomes clear. Here the same reaction is given. 3A gives 2B plus C. 10 moles of A is given initially. At T is equal to 0, 10 moles are given. If 4 moles of B is formed at equilibrium, find degree of dissociation, total moles at equilibrium. So how will you do this question? Suppose we take X as the number of moles of A dissociated. So at T is equal to equilibrium, suppose out of 10 moles, X moles have dissociated. अगर X moles dissociate हो रहे हैं तो B के कितने moles बनेंगे? 3 moles give 2 moles of B. So X moles give 2 by 3 into X. And number of moles of C formed will be 3 moles give 1 mole of C. So X moles will give X by 3 moles of C. Clear? Now in the question it is given that 4 moles of B is formed at equilibrium. So this moles of equilibrium of B is equal to 4. So we can write 2/3x is equal to 4. ये जो मोल्स बने हैं बी के, ये 4 मोल्स दिए हुए क्वेश्चन में. सो वी कैन पुट 2/3x is equal to 4. So what will be the value of x from here? X will be equal to 4 into 3/2. It will be equal to 6. So how many moles of each substance are present at equilibrium? Now let us calculate it. तो हमने एक्सप्रेशन लिखा था 2b plus c. Here 10 minus x. At t is equal to 0, 10 moles, 0, 0. At t is equal to equilibrium, 10 minus x. X is 6. 4 moles are present. B के कितने मोल्स हैं? 2/3 into 6. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए 4. How many moles of C are present? 6/3. That is 2 moles. So you have 4 moles of A, 4 moles of B and 2 moles of C at equilibrium. Clear? So find DOD. What is DOD here? DOD is number of moles dissociated. Number of moles कितने dissociate हुए? What is the value of x here? X is equal to 6. तो dissociate कितने हुए? 6. Total moles कितने थे? 10. So what you get? 0.6. It is the degree of dissociation. You have to calculate the total moles at equilibrium. तो total moles at equilibrium कितने हैं? Total moles at equilibrium are 4 plus 4 plus 2. 10 moles. This is the solution. So I hope you have understood how to put the values here, how to calculate degree of dissociation, how to calculate the total moles at equilibrium. Now coming to the next question. There is a reaction given. Nitrogen and hydrogen moles are given. In a container of volume 6 liter, 40% dissociation takes place. Calculate Kp and Kc. Let us first write the equation. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Now T is equal to 0 पे 10 मोल्स दिए हुए हैं X के और हाइड्रोजन के दिए हुए हैं 20 मोल्स. ठीक है, और डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन परसेंटेज, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन दिया हुआ 40%. सो व्हाट विल बी द अल्फा? अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू 40/100, that is 0.4. So alpha is 0.4 here. Now you have to use, let us write the equation here. At T equilibrium, suppose x moles of A and 2 undergo dissociation. So we can write 10 minus x. अगर इसके x moles dissociate हो रहे हैं तो हाइड्रोजन के कितने moles dissociate होंगे? 1 mole is reacting with 3 moles of hydrogen. So x moles will react with 3x moles. So how many will be left? 20 minus 3x. Clear? 1 मोल रिएक्ट कर रहा है 3 मोल्स के साथ, तो x मोल्स रिएक्ट करेंगे 3x मोल्स के साथ, तो बचेंगे कितने? 20 minus 3x. And how many 2 moles of ammonia will be formed? 1 mole give 2 moles. So x moles give 2x moles. Clear? Now here percentage alpha value is given. Now calculate alpha from here first. What is alpha? Alpha is equal to x upon 10. Number of moles dissociated upon total number of moles. Alpha की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? X will be equal to 10 alpha. Alpha is 0.4. You can write 10 into 0.4. So what you get? X is equal to 4. Clear? Now you have to find Kp and Kc. Now let us write the concentration of each of this. Nitrogen, what is the concentration? Number of moles, 10 minus x. X is 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 upon volume. Concentration is number of moles per unit volume. Volume is mentioned here 6 liter. अगर mention नहीं है तो we take 1 liter. तो ये 6 हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो गया 1. Hydrogen concentration 20 minus 3x. X is 4. 4 3 12. 20 minus 12 8. 8 upon 6. Clear? You will get 4 upon 3. What is the concentration of ammonia? Ammonia is 2x. 2 into 4. 8 moles. Clear? So these are the 8 upon what is the volume? 6 liter. So it will also be 4/3. तो तीनों की कंसेंट्रेशन मिल गई. नाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट Kc. Kc विल बी इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट्स अपॉन रिएक्टेंट्स. यू कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू. अमोनिया की वैल्यू है 4/3 स्क्वायर, नाइट्रोजन की वैल्यू है 1 एंड हाइड्रोजन इज टू द पावर 3. हाइड्रोजन इज 4/3 टू द पावर 3. तो 2 से तो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या 3/4. यू विल गेट दिस आंसर. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ Kc. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ Kp. Kp कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? Kp होता है Kc RT delta Ng. What is the delta Ng value for this? 2 minus 4 minus 2. Kc की वैल्यू आई 3/4. R की वैल्यू 0.082. Temperature is given 300 Kelvin and to the power -2. Clear? You can solve this question and you will get the value of Kp. So you can calculate, starting with the degree of dissociation and initial number of moles, we have calculate Kp and we have calculate Kc values. So in this way you can solve the questions based on degree of dissociation. So I hope the concept of degree of dissociation is clear to you. Now you can solve any question based on it. I hope you like the video. Thank you.